Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Rasdhoo Grand Spa. It's a 3-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Rasdhoo Grand Spa. Rasdhoo Grand Spa provides air-conditioned accommodations in Rasdhoo. The property has a shared lounge, an ATM and organizing tours for guests. At the guest house, all rooms come with a closet. Rooms have a private bathroom with a shower, while certain rooms contain a terrace and others also feature city views. At Rasdhoo Grand Spa, the rooms have bed linen and towels. Guests at the accommodation can enjoy a continental breakfast. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.